Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com, and in this video, I'll be sharing my top 3 picks from AppSumo's lineup of lifetime deals for July. Remember that these deals will be live at AppSumo for a limited time, so if you want to fetch any of these deals, be sure to grab them before they're all sold out. You can find links to all these deals in the description of this video. With that said, let's dive in. My first pick is MyMeet. MyMeet is an AI-powered platform that helps you schedule, video chat, transcribe, and summarize client meetings. In addition to creating a fully branded booking page and hosting secure online meetings, this tool also helps you instantly summarize your meetings with AI. This, in my opinion, is the best feature of MyMeet. With the AI Meeting Summary Assistant, you get a transcript of your meeting that includes a brief overview, key takeaways, and action items. It'll even determine the overall quality of the meeting by tracking metrics like energy level, interaction level, and the overall success rate of the meeting. The first thing you need to do after logging into your MyMeet dashboard is to integrate your Google or Outlook email account to the platform. Next, click on Branding and create your fully branded booking page by adding your logo, colors, and font. Then navigate to the Availability section and update your availability times. These will be displayed on your booking page, which you can share with your clients or prospects to schedule meetings. Your MyMeet dashboard will have all the details you need, including your upcoming bookings, completed bookings, and a link to your booking page. To generate AI summaries of your meetings, go to Completed Bookings and click on the AI Summary icon under the Actions column. Now, the regular pricing of MyMeet is over $140 a year. But with AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to MyMeet for just $49. You can check out the link in the description to learn more about the MyMeet lifetime deal at AppSumo. My next pick is Uptime Monster. Uptime Monster is an all-in-one monitoring tool that lets you debug, manage, and monitor website and server uptime. With Uptime Monster, you'll get a reliable cloud-based monitoring solution that keeps tabs on your website's availability, performance, and security 24/7. To get started, add your website to Uptime Monster and enter all the relevant details. Next, download the Uptime Monster WordPress plugin and enter your license key to activate your site on Uptime Monster. Once this is done, you'll be able to see all the key site metrics like the latest downtime, availability of the website, responsiveness, and total response time. You can dive into the WordPress activity log to monitor user activity and check out all the different events on your website. Now, typically, you would have to pay $70 a year for Uptime Monster's standard plan. But with AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to Uptime Monster for just $49. You can check out the link in the description to learn more about the Uptime Monster lifetime deal at AppSumo. My third and final pick is a tool called Interacti, which is a gamification platform that lets you create interactive content like quizzes, games, and giveaways to boost customer engagement and collect more leads. Interacti is packed with hundreds of customizable templates to help you create gamified content like trivia quiz, personality quiz, slide puzzles, rank battles, and crosswords. I've been using Interacti on my site for quite some time now, and it has really elevated my lead generation game. Take this SEO quiz for example, which was created through Interacti 2 years ago. With Interacti's professionally designed templates and customization options, I was able to build this interactive SEO quiz that continues to engage my visitors to this day. If you'd like to create interactive content pieces like these on your site, engage your visitors, and boost your lead generation, then you should definitely check out Interacti. Now, typically, you would have to pay $300 a year for Interacti's starter plan. But thanks to AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to Interacti for just $79. Once again, you can find the link to this deal in the description of this video. So there you have it, my top 3 picks from AppSumo's July lineup. If you're interested in these deals, make sure you grab them soon because they're available on AppSumo only for a limited time. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to check out my other in-depth reviews and tutorials of trending SaaS tools, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more great content. Thanks once again, and I'll see you soon.